Hi guys, I am back from New Jersey and I'm back from New Jersey and I'm about to make some sharp soup. I have some chicken here, so I'm gonna make some chicken soup. So yeah, it's cold outside and this is the right time. Yeah guys, it's cold outside, so chicken soup is perfect. So I'm gonna make some chicken soup right now. Alrighty? Later. Guys, look how good my makeup look. Oh my god. Very soon I have to take it off. I'm gonna wear it to cook my food, and then in the evening I'll take it off. Guys, I'm just done with the soup and I realized I just look and I don't have enough okra. I'll probably have to go down and get some. Stop. I'm gonna check and see if I have. Oh, guys, look, I just have this little okra, so that will do the job. I thought I didn't have none, but I just checked and I saw this little okra in my freezer, so this will do the job. Thank God I have this little okra left, so I don't have to go downstairs to buy some. Perfect. Guys, my fufu is ready to eat. Woo. Good, guys. Soup is done. Guys, this is my favorite part of. This is my favorite part of the chicken. Okra on the side. That's right. This is perfect for the cold weather. Guys, the kids are sleeping. I have the laundry. I just put in a load in the washer. I'm gonna sit down and eat my breakfast before they wake up. Vlogmas, guys, how's Vlogmas? Guys, how's Vlogmas going for you guys? Tell me, are you getting tired? I know it's not easy. It's not easy. How many more days? What? We have about maybe 12, 13 more days. I know it's not easy, but we're doing good. We're pushing. We're doing it. Oh, and we're doing a great job at it. We're doing a great job at it. Oh my God. Guys, this Vlogmas, I'm enjoying the support. So yeah, let's keep doing it. We're almost like, we're gonna get there. So yeah, I don't know, I think I'm gonna get to 25 because I have other things I want to do. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you real quick what I use for my skin this winter time, and I just wanted to show you guys. I think it will also help some of you guys watching us. Guys, this winter I've been using this Cocoa Radiance, this Hollywood tea tree oil, and the Palmer's Shea body shea formula. This is the raw shea nutrition body oil. And guys, this is how I use it. I have my shea butter here. All I do is just add this to my shea butter when I come out from the shower. After I wipe myself with a towel, I use that and I put it on my body, all over. And guys, my body feels good, soft. I feel like my body feels good, and you know, all that. It's not, I don't feel my body's not dry, you know. It's really good, and I feel fresh, and I just feel like it's good. And guys, you know what shea butter does for you? Shea butter, it's good. So yeah, if you want an extra nice scent. And guys, I have this too, the African Pride. Yeah, the African Pride scents. They have different scents, very nice. So yeah, I use this too, guys. I use this too for me and my daughter's hair, for my daughter and I's hair. I use these oils. I'll switch. So I'll everything I do, I just add this and that to my daughter's this and that to the shea butter, this to the shea butter, and then I'll just put it on my hair or her hair, or I'll add the African Pride. I said American Pride, the African Pride, and this and the shea butter to together, and it's good. I just feel like whenever I add the shea butter to my daughter's hair, it's soft. She have that thick full, her hair is thick and full, and every time I'm touched, she see me with a comb coming for her, she runs to her dad like, save me, dad. So yeah, just wanted to show you a little things what I use for my body this winter. And guys, this is what I do. I like to use this Cocoa Radiance and this body scents from, this is Haiku from Avon. Yeah, don't forget, Avon still got good stuff, guys. So yeah, those are the stuff I use for the winter. So yeah, thank you so much for watching Cheerful Yeah. I just came home from work and I just thought, why, let me just show you all the things what I use for my skin this winter time, this dry season. And yes, to try it, and I'm sure you love it. Thank you for watching Cheerful Yeah's channel. Don't forget to enjoy your life, like, comment, and subscribe, guys, if you haven't subscribed. Bye.